In 2026, something historic is happening across the United States. Millions of Americans are packing up their lives, renting U-Hauls and waving goodbye to iconic American cities they once called home. But they aren't just taking a temporary vacation, they are leaving forever. For decades, cities like San Francisco, Chicago, and New York were the beating heart of the American dream. But today, the dream has turned into a financial nightmare. Skyrocketing housing prices, insane property taxes, and rising crime are driving families out. So, where are they going? Because people aren't just fleeing, they are moving to hidden gems and booming southern cities. In this video, we are breaking down the 10 US cities Americans are abandoning in droves, and the exact places they are moving to instead. Before we dive into number 10, do me a favor. Hit that like button and subscribe to Town Truths. It helps us bring you more stories. Number 10. San Francisco, California moving to Austin, Texas. San Francisco was once the tech capital. Today, it's facing a massive exodus with home prices over $1.2 million and remote work opportunities. Where are they heading? Austin, Texas. Silicon Hills offers zero state income tax and a massive brand new home with a pool. Number 9. New York City moving to Miami and Orlando, Florida. Rent prices in Manhattan have broken records. People are swapping freezing winters for sunshine, zero income tax, and actual space to breathe. Number 8. Chicago, Illinois moving to Nashville, Tennessee. Illinois ranks worst for property taxes. Nashville offers a warm climate, explosive job market, and a lower tax burden for former Midwesterners. Are you currently living in a city you want to leave? Drop your city name in the comments below. I read every single comment. Number 7. Los Angeles, California moving to Phoenix, Arizona. Phoenix offers suburban neighborhoods and modern highways. You get far more square footage for your dollar in Phoenix than you ever will in it. Number 6. Seattle, Washington moving to Boise. Idaho, Boise became a magnet for families seeking a safer, quieter, and more outdoors-focused lifestyle surrounded by river trails and safe streets. Number 5. Boston, Massachusetts moving to Charlotte, North Carolina. Charlotte is a major banking hub with milder weather. You can buy a gorgeous 4-bedroom home for the price of a small Boston studio. Number 4. Baltimore, Maryland moving to Greenville, South Carolina. Greenville is the poster child for small city revitalization. A stunning downtown area with a river park and incredible southern hospitality. Number 3. Washington, D.C. moving to Richmond, Virginia. Richmond offers incredible architecture, a massive brewery scene, and riverfront living, all at a fraction of D.C. prices. Number 2. San Jose, California moving to Reno, Nevada. With zero state income tax and Lake Tahoe in its backyard, tech workers are enjoying a high quality of life without the California price tag. And number 1. Detroit, Michigan moving to Atlanta, Georgia. Atlanta, the cultural capital of the South, has a booming tech scene and major entertainment studios. It represents modern growth and prosperity. America is shifting. People want freedom, affordability, safety, and a better quality of life, and they are willing to pack up everything. Which of these relocations surprised you most? Smash that like button and subscribe to Town Truths. I'll see you in the next one.